What's up, investors? I got an interesting company I wanted to put on your radar. Disclaimer, you've seen that I am not a financial advisor, but I talk about volatile stocks and I share information. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Please also hit the like button. These videos do take some time. And let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. The company I wanted to talk about today was INPX. A couple things tell me that this could be a good opportunity. Very fascinating technology. A little bit of a shaded past. We're going to talk about some of the risks. We're going to talk about what they do. We're going to talk about the market opportunity that they have. Very interesting as a growth stock, not necessarily just in the short term, but over a long period of time. This could be, I'm interested to see how this all plays out. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. I'm going to cover a lot, because there is a lot going on with them. First thing that drew my attention was I seen a bullish signal might be forming when the 20-day SMA crosses the 200-day SMA. You could see those two lines there. When they cross, that could mean there's a bullish pattern or a bullish trend. So that's something to consider. That's for more short term. So if you were looking to trade it, but I want to explore the idea of this as a long term investment, maybe adding to your portfolio for the next couple of years. Because at this level in this market cap, this company really can grow exponentially. Market cap of 59.8 million and only 50.18 million shares outstanding. And this is another article I wanted to put on your radar right here. INPX wins the IoT Sensor Company of the Year award. INPX was recognized as a pioneering leader for its robust portfolio of sensor for location-based solutions, making indoor spaces smarter, safer, and more secure. We're going to get into all the products and everything that INPX's technology can do throughout the video, but I just wanted to start off with this just to show that this company's technology is validated, it's proven. Okay, and it mentions in the article that they've also won other awards. They won an IoT Sensor Product of the Year award for the INPX Sensor 4000. For a Security Excellence Award for INPX Aware. So this company is winning awards for their technology. That doesn't always translate into good business, but it's definitely a good sign that the product is good in there, that they have elite technology. Now I'm going to look through the investor presentation, just to give you an overview of what this company does. INPX's technology, core indoor positioning technology plus recent complementary technology acquisitions help develop a highly secure, robust, and comprehensive indoor intelligence solution. Extendable platform with technology agnostic architecture. Market size, and this is why I'm so interested in this company, is this is a huge opportunity. It's a large, fast-growing, and underserved market with multiple research firms forecasting global market revenues of double-digit billions, 17 to 53% CAGR. So looking for very rapid and very fast growth. The revenue for the fiscal 2019 increased 68%. Compared to fiscal 2018. 2020 is probably going to be a little bit of a rough year, but that was for most businesses. Gross margins also increased to 74% in 2019 versus 71% in 2018. Definitely a strong indicator that they are making their products cheaper. Approximately 39 million of cash and cash equivalents as of June 2020. So this investor presentation it's the most recent one they have. Things that the company could be used for mapping, to create dynamic, tailored map-enabled solutions that address a myriad use cases. Positioning, to locate and track wireless devices using on-device or external sensors while ensuring security and privacy. For security, to see the unseen wireless device detection to pinpoint unauthorized devices. and enforce no phone zones and more. And that's very interesting. I really like the idea and to explore what that could turn into down the road. If you think of government agencies or concert halls, even the last couple shows I've been to, I know artists have, they don't want you to record, so they have to, I've seen these big venues like Madison Square Garden and whatnot collect cell phones or want you to lock your phones in these boxes so you can't record the artist. I know comedians also do, things like that. With this kind of technology, it would just not allow your devices to have a record option. So I could see that being very big in the future. If we ever get back to, live events and, concerts and that kind of thing. And also this technology could be used for analytics. So it could be used, the use cases are across the board. It's not exclusive to any sector or industry. It could be used and it benefits a lot of different sectors and industries. And we're going to get into the customer base in a little bit. Organizations need to assistance in addressing COVID-19. We're going to have new CDC guidelines, state and country regulations, industry-specific best practices, and company policies. And Piction can really help organize that, with stuff like physical distancing, contact tracing, sanitation, cleaning, temperature reading, and analytics reporting. And this is kind of how it would look for workplace readiness for zone health, physical distancing, and seating plans. It could be a nice, easy way for companies to organize, seating arrangements, zone health, and physical distancing for contact tracing for people, assets, and zones. So they would know, if they were exposed to the virus, and also for sanitation and cleaning. You could see, it would specify hot zones. All stuff that I believe is going to be needed for the foreseeable future if we're ever going to go back to the office. Or who would be interested in technology like this, like we just touched on: corporate, government, education, healthcare, hospitality, retail, commercial real estate, transportation, industrial. Think of, movie theaters. Think of, this technology just touches so many different ways. That's why I'm pretty excited about it, honestly. And they have a pretty strong customer base already, as you see here. Mall of America, Brookfield, FedEx, U.S. Air Force, U.S. Army, other government and you see a lot of government. You see FedEx. Really interesting and fascinating to see. Those kind of customers. But all signs point in a positive direction, especially when you look at their partnerships for resellers and partnership ecosystem. Look at this: Lenovo, IBM, VMware, Cisco. That's a who's who. We talk about that often on this channel, especially for penny stocks. I like to look at the partnerships and who they're doing business with, and this is a strong sign. The large and fast-growing markets, right? Look at this: a $56 billion market opportunity in indoor positioning and navigation, in indoor location, $17 billion market by 2025. In Wi-Fi analytics, a 16.8. So look at, you add these numbers together. These are very big opportunities for a company with a $50 million market cap. One other thing I wanted to show you was the broad intellectual portfolio. They have more than 15 registered patents and several pending applications in the United States, along with similar patents and applications in various countries outside the U.S. So those patents, some of them, could potentially be better products. When you're looking at a company that's winning awards for their current products and technology, they could also be producing more. So that's exciting to see that, they have a pipeline of more patents. It doesn't necessarily, that's very speculative what I'm saying. That's totally my opinion. There's no concrete fact or proof of that, but I'm just saying that seems like, that's helping some of my conviction in saying, I feel pretty good about this. This could be a pretty a valuable stock down the road in its infancy. But make no mistake about it, there's risks involved. The company has diluted shares, and they're going to have to continue to dilute shares. They're going to have to raise money. As an investor, this could, you're going to have to be patient with a trade like this. You'd have to ask yourself, do you want to hold on to this for the next 2 years? That's kind of when you'd really see the potential in what this company is capable of. But as of now, they have a $50 million market cap. They're only like $1 million worth of sales. It's a very young company. So the opportunity is there. They're going to have to raise money. There's no question about it. So if you're going to invest in that and view dilution as a negative, this may not be the trade for you. I would look at dilution as a positive at this point because some of the indicators, the partnerships, the resellers, the opportunity with workplace readiness and some of the other market opportunities that they're going to have is definitely attractive, and they're going to need money to get it out there. I love that Lenovo, the partnership with Lenovo, I think can really help them. I'm looking forward to see some of these numbers, in the next quarters coming forward. But if you're still watching, thank you. Please hit that like button and subscribe for future content. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. You should do all your own research. It's ultimately your decision whether you buy any of the stocks I talk about on this channel. And let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.